Hey everyone, thinking about buying a home but not sure about the credit score you need? Well, you're in the right place. I'm here to break it down for you in a simple and easy to understand way. First off, let's talk numbers. Generally, a credit score of 620 is the minimum you need to qualify for most conventional loans. But if you're aiming for an FHA loan, you might get by with a score as low as 580. Remember, the higher your score, the better your interest rates and loan terms will be. Why does your credit score matter so much? Lenders see it as a measure of how reliable you are when it comes to paying back your debts. A good score shows you're responsible and can handle monthly payments. Now, how can you improve your score if it's not quite there yet? Start by paying down your debts and making sure you're not missing any payments. Keep your credit card balances low, ideally below 30% of your limit. And avoid opening new lines of credit right before you apply for a mortgage. If you need a bit more personalized advice, I'm here to help. Feel free to reach out to me at David Ling Real Estate. You can call me at 1-831-295-5130 or 1-408-497-3989, or shoot me an email via the link on my website. So there you have it. With the right credit score and a bit of preparation, you'll be that much closer to owning your dream home. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on home buying. See you next time. Bye for now.